Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to create account on the Crunchyroll. So first of all you have to just open your browser, like I am using the Chrome browser, and here search for the Crunchyroll and then hit the enter. After this you will find here a lot of the websites here, but you have to just open the first one, which is the official website of the Crunchyroll. You have to just click on it, and after this you will find here such type of the interface. Here you have to just click on the profile icon at the very top right corner, and here just click on create account. And right after that you will find here such type of the interface. For creating your account you have to just put here your informations like your email address and your password. And after that, if you want to get the informations about the Crunchyroll, you can turn on this option. If not, then you have to just turn it off and then click on the create account option here. Wait for some processing. After this you will find here such type of the interface. Here you can set your username and the avatar for your Crunchyroll account. Here just click on the change avatar to set the avatar for your Crunchyroll account and select any of the avatar that you want to choose for your account. After this you have to just, like I am selecting this one, and after this just click on the save. And here you have to just select the username of your account. You can use this random name as well. After selecting your name, like I am selecting here for my channel name, let me write, click on the continue to the Crunchyroll. But before doing so, you have to just make sure that the username that you are choosing cannot be changed after verification of your account. So you have to just choose it wisely. After that you have to just click on the continue to the Crunchyroll. So wait for the processing. After processing, your account has been created. The most important step is that you have to just verify your account. Before moving to this step, click on the profile at the top right and then click on my account and check that if your account has been created or not. And you can see that my account has been created. You can change your avatar from here, like I am selecting this one. And now moving to the verification of our account, you have to just open your Gmail and you will get an email from the Crunchyroll team. You have to just click to open the email, and in email you will find a link. You have to just click on the link to verify your email address and it will open a new tab for you, and you can see that my account has been successfully verified. And by doing so, our account has been created and verified, and now you can enjoy your streaming and 9 videos or the content. So that's all for this video. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.